Good morning, everyone. This is Beach Bum. It is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. And here we are with the Tropical Zone Report. All right, first off, let's get to it. Today, from the NHC, no tropical cyclone activity is expected within the next 48 hours. All right, today we are looking at a lot of rain, still a lot of rain, and gonna be a lot of rain for the Caribbean and Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Haiti. Lots of chances of flooding, possible mudslides. Um, Here you go. Here is your flood threat. We're in monitor mode on these islands. Um, Flooding is possible. Mudslides are possible. Just y'all, everybody out there, just please be careful if you're in these areas. All right, today let's go take a look at the models. Here we have the GFS, and it has backed down a whole lot from what it has been showing. Today, the GFS does not show any tropical systems forming. Um, let's go ahead and run this out. We'll run it out to about November 8th. You know, anything over a week away is just too hard to really tell. So here we go. And as you can see, here's Friday. A lot of rain, a lot of rain. And here we are, Friday, November 8th, a week and 2 days away, and we just have a lot of rain. Lots and lots of rain. Uh, let's check out the CMC. Now, the CMC does show a little differently. It's still wanting to show that we're going to get a hurricane traveling up into the Gulf. Still, it's over a week away, so we got to just keep an eye on it. We'll go ahead and run this out and let you see it. And there it is. What the CMC says we are going to get a hurricane. And that was the end of that run. That was November 9th. And it's heading into the Gulf. Again, this is a week from this coming up Saturday. So it's still a long ways out. Um, when I started this video this morning, when I was looking at everything, the icon was there. And then when I got ready to record, we're having issues with the icon. It did show a tropical storm forming. I do got the maps of that. I'll show that to you in a minute. Let's go ahead and go to the Euro, which the Euro pretty much shows the same thing as the GFS. A lot of rain in the Caribbean. And there's the end of the Euro run. Get back to it. And just a lot of rain in the Caribbean. Okay. So this is what we're having to keep an eye on. The reason why the CMC is showing we're going to get this hurricane, and possibly the icon shows a tropical storm, is the water temps down here in the Caribbean. Around the Gulf, this is cooled down to in the 70s. This is still in the high 80s. So, still good conditions to make a storm down there. Yeah, like I said, I'll show y'all the icon from what we got earlier. And the icon model does show a tropical storm moving into the Gulf. Here is what the GFS shows. Just a lot of rain. The Euro showing the same thing. A lot of rain. And here is the Canadian model, the CMC, and it is showing a hurricane moving towards the Gulf. Again, this is all next week, in the next week, so we got time to watch. Nothing is set in stone. The only thing that is set in stone and going to happen is these flood threats here. Again, these areas are going to see a lot of rain over the next week. There is a high up here that is just keeping this system stuck right here in the Caribbean. So that's it for today, everybody. Next 7 days should look good for the U.S. for hurricane systems, tropical systems. Just keep checking back. We'll have more updates tomorrow. This is Beach Bum. Catch y'all later.